GU24 light bulb for your ceiling light fixtures. So you need a small step stool or a 2-foot ladder. I'm going to go ahead and make sure the rungs on the ladder is extended fully. That way for safety. Set it up on firm ground. Preferably if you have somebody to hold it, it'll be even better. And we'll go ahead and take 2 steps up here. Never want to go to the top rung of the ladder. Then we have a ball here on the fixture. I'm going to go ahead and just slowly release this one. While holding the glass fixture, you can take off the ball and you can take off the cover plate and then slowly just bring the glass down. And the GU24 bulbs, they just twist here. You want to grab it by the base. Then you can twist it and pull it out. So right here on the base of the GU, you have large parts where the peg's gonna lock into place. And this is where you want to lock it in. And then you're just gonna do a slide twist. So we'll get our bulb in here, get it in place, it's here now, and just a slight twist to lock it in. So now our bulb turns on, and that's how you effectively and properly replace the GU24 Energy Saver light bulbs for the ceiling light fixture. Thank you.